Dito tayo ngayon sa roof deck ng aking apartment sa Tembo. Tapat ng market. May billboard pa ni Heart. Okay, so our agenda for the day. It's a Sunday. Kuha lang tayo ng mango. Then you can get your own mango here. It's enough for us to have and eat lang here. Super amazing. Ta-da! Yeah, we're gonna get this mango. Sure na. Sure natin ito. Oh shit, nahulog. Ay fuck. Fuck me. Ay fuck! Tingnan naman ang bobo ko, grabe. Sakto lang yung mangga.